Hi there, this is me Habib from ahgfx. In this video today, I'm gonna show you how to create realistic window light effect in Photoshop. If you want to download the images that I used in this video, link is in the description below. First, go to Adjustment and create a new exposure adjustment layer. Adjust the value accordingly and close the adjustment layer. Now create a new document. After creating a new document, go to Toolbar, select Rectangle Shape and start creating window like this. Now select all the shapes. Right-click on any layer and rasterize and choose Merge Shapes. Go to File menu and choose Place Embedded. Now select the PNG file and hit the place. Now adjust the size and direction of the PNG file. Right-click on the layer and click Rasterize Layer. Invert the layer using the shortcut key Ctrl+I. Now right-click on the layer and create a clipping mask. Select both layers, right-click and merge layer. Transform the layer using shortcut key Ctrl+T, right-click and select perspective. Now make it little bit tilted and hit enter. Go to Edit menu and select Define Brush Presets. Rename the brush and hit OK. Now go back to the previous file and make sure the layer mask thumbnail is selected. Select the brush tool, increase or decrease the brush size, and create a window effect. Need more adjustment to look perfect. Now go to Adjust menu, select Properties, increase the feather level as your liking. To make it more dramatic, go to the Adjustment and create a new Color Lookup adjustment layer. Select Edgy Amber 3DL. Decrease the opacity precisely. Group those two effects and see the result. Let's try this with another picture. Right-click on the background layer and click Convert to Smart Object. Click Smart Object and drag any images from your downloaded file. Resize the image and press Ctrl+S for save. Now go back to the original documents. You can easily change and customize the window light as liking. Let's see another image effect. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing tutorials. Thanks for watching, see you soon.